Let us look at the fields in the sample upload file. It is important to maintain the format in the sample to avoid your file being corrupted when uploaded. Now to the columns. Destination institution, the short name of the bank or service provider you are sending funds to. This short name can be found when you click on the drop-down in the institution destination columns. Destination account, the account or wallet number to receive the transaction. Destination type, the transaction type like wallet, airtime, or bank. Amount, the value of each transaction. Country, the recipient's country. Contact, the recipient's contact number. Narration, the content of the SMS notification the recipient will receive after a successful transaction. Recipient's name, the recipient's name on the wallet or bank account. That's a wrap. You can now upload files on Bulkpay.